Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Nay Janae. I know what you're thinking. Why the heck is this girl on YouTube with rollers in her head and in her pajamas? And it's simply because it's my do nothing day. I had a conversation with my therapist and she said, girl, you need to do nothing. So if it's prescribed that I need to do nothing, then I have no choice but to listen to her. However, in doing nothing, I have to eat. I have not left my home all day. At 6 o'clock in the morning, I had the urge to clean my entire home. And now almost 6.5 hours later, I have not ate anything but some peppermint tea. But this video is simply going to be how to make a high protein hamburger bowl. Now, I've never done this before. I also don't know what ingredients I have in my refrigerator. We're just gonna go on this journey together and make a delicious high protein hamburger bowl. I think I'm gonna go with the sweet potato, so let's cut this up. Honestly, I just love my chopping board. I got it from like Home Goods or something like that, and it's been great ever since. I'm also thinking maybe I'll put like some bacon in here, but if I'm eating pork and beef, that might not be the best thing. So we're gonna shave this potato off if it wants to shave. At that, shave the potato a little, and then we're going to dice it. Okay. I'm trying to be all fancy, but I'm just go back to what my grandma taught me. Take the knife and just cut it with your hand. And this potato is about to go bad soon, so I'm trying to use up all the groceries I have in there. Why not eat something healthy and delicious? Get me some antioxidants in. Sweet potatoes really help with your skin, so I've heard. All right, now you should have a peeled sweet potato. Just go ahead and move those scraps to the side. And we're gonna cut it in like chunks. Now we're gonna go again and we're gonna cut it into like little squares. And the shape doesn't matter really. I did go ahead and fill this pot with water so that way we can decrease the cook time. I'm gonna put them on the stove to boil for maybe like 10 to 15 minutes just until they're soft. Now we're gonna get us some lettuce. I told y'all we're using these ingredients before they go bad. One thing I don't like about fresh ingredients, everything goes bad so fast. I'm gonna dry it with a paper towel. I just rinsed it again and it's just like a little too wet for my liking. And even though we didn't assemble our bowl yet, we're just gonna sit it in here to the side. We need our greens. How far down y'all be cutting y'all lettuce? I'll stop right here. I do not want to be eating stem. This is just like a little too dead for me, so I'm gonna toss that as well. Dry it, and I'll put it in a container for later. My lettuce is now in this cute little bowl. I got this from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I have these veggies already chopped, so it has onion, bell pepper, red and green pepper. So we're gonna put that inside of the meat. I also already went ahead and seasoned my ground meat from earlier this week. I forgot to tell y'all, it's jerk seasoning here. I made a jerk burger the other day. That thing was so good. So this is gonna be a jerk burger. I have some cheese in here. I have some Kobe Jack cheese. Oh, I have shredded and sliced. I think I'm gonna go with sliced because that one will go bad sooner. And then we're gonna take out some mayonnaise and some ketchup. Maybe we can try to make a burger sauce, but I don't think I have everything I would need for a burger sauce. Since I already have the chopping board out, I should just chop it. But this thing right here is the best thing ever. I always cut off the first slice that's been exposed to air because I like that crunch. I like that crunch when I'm eating my onions. I love onions. Take off this. And then we're just gonna chop it up a little. Go this way. It's diced so pretty. Set that to the side. Put that up. We also got us a tomato. Chop up the tomato. And again, same thing. Whatever part is exposed to the air, I always cut it off. I just don't like it personally. I'm not a huge fan of tomato, so we're just gonna do a little bit. All right, y'all, so let's transition and get started on the meat. Take our pot here, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit of olive oil. And just drizzle a little. It is a non-stick pan, and ground beef usually tends to make a lot of oil. But just to get it started, get it fragrant with our vegetables, we're gonna put a little bit of oil in there. I told you I have to use everything in my house before I go to the grocery store. So mix that up a little bit and let's get that fragrant. Our potatoes are starting to look like they're boiling. Well, they are boiling a lot. I'm just gonna push one. See how they are. This is gonna be the base of our bowl, and I can't get it. I don't think they're done. Yeah, they're still pretty hard. So because we're gonna saute them, we don't want them too soft. We're just gonna boil them just a little bit so we can get them crispy. Now let's go ahead and add our meat in. And I told you I seasoned it with jerk, so it's not dying. It just has jerk seasoning and Worcestershire already in it. Here's a pro tip. Use a paper towel to soak up some of that oil. I don't like super oily meat, and I usually don't use ground beef, but this is great for that. I added in a big scoop of this jerk ground beef, and I just put that to the side to assemble the rest of the bowl. So I accidentally ended up boiling them a little bit too long, and I had to put them in the air fryer after I sauteed them in this pan. I just went in with some garlic powder, paprika, salt, pepper, and I think I did a pinch of brown sugar just for sweetness. But definitely don't boil them as long as me, just to get that crispiness, but they were still super good. On to our burger sauce. I don't know why all of my condiments decided to embarrass me, but start off with a little bit of mayo and then a little bit of ketchup as well. It doesn't matter the order, but then you can go in with some Worcestershire sauce. I also went in with some garlic, a little bit of paprika and pepper. I've never told y'all this, but I don't like mustard at all, so I went in with some Chick-fil-A honey mustard and mixed that all together, and that sauce was a chef's kiss. Okay guys, my camera accidentally died, so some footage may be missing, but here's the end result of my burger bowl. I have the jerk ground beef with some onions and bell peppers. I have the sweet potatoes. I boiled them a little bit too much, but they're still super good. Just imagine you're eating fries. And then I have the salad with the onions, lettuce, and the cheese. It's just like you're eating a burger without a bun. So, so good. I did go ahead and make me a little burger sauce. So I'm gonna drizzle that on here. And baby, this is 10 out of 10. I really hope you enjoyed this video of my high protein burger bowl. This thing looks so delicious, so I'm gonna go eat it. If you try it, please let me know in the comments, and also let me know what other recipes you wanna see. Again, I'm Nay Janae. Go ahead and like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Bye.